Hello, in this Google Workspace configuration settings video, we're going to look at how to enable Android reporting for users and devices. To get started, log into your school's admin console, navigate to the left-hand menu, choose Chrome, apps and extensions, users and browsers. Then you'll go into the user and browsers settings page like you can see here. And what we want to look for today is Android reporting for users and devices. If you can't find it when you're scrolling through the list here manually, you can always hit Control F on your keyboard. It will bring up the search function. If you start typing in Android reporting, it will then bring us to the setting or let you find the setting more easily that you're trying to adjust. So the one we're looking at today is Android reporting for users and devices. Now, why this is important? By enabling Android app reporting for your users and devices, you can see if a force installed application installed correctly on user devices and which Android apps have been installed. So to change the setting, always ensure that we've chosen our top level OU, which I've selected here. Any settings we enable here are pushed down to our lower level OUs. And then from this drop down menu, we want to choose Enable Android Reporting. And then to save it, ensure that you come up here and you click on the Save button. Take a few seconds before it saves the setting. Now it's saved the setting, and we have updated allowing Android reporting for users and devices for your school's domain. Thank you for watching this video.